We are simulating a scenario where a user has a bucket with all the objects corrupted. A malicious user logged in and corrupted all the data. I'm showing you the object along with the corrupted data. Luckily for the user though, the bucket had versioning enabled. What that means is that while the latest version is corrupted, all the older versions are present. All we need to do now is use Clumio to go back in time. A couple of days, a couple of hours, just to undo the attack or undo the corruption. In this process, what we are doing is that across the billions of objects, we are determining which version should be visible at the specific point in time that the user wants to go back to. And then once those versions are determined, we go ahead and undo them. We take that version and make it to be the latest. In the process of doing that, we are now fixing all the corruption. Now, as you can see, all the corruption is fixed and the data that was showing corrupted before is no longer corrupted. Then all the objects from the corrupted data are now back to the proper data. The attack has been recovered.